Yay!
Go ahead. Go, Kuya.
The angel came from heaven, from heaven. The angel came from heaven to bring good news. The angel's name was Gabriel. The angel's name was Gabriel to bring good news.
Yay!
His name was Mary. She met a lady. She met a lady. She met a lady to bring good news. The lady's name was Mary. The lady's name was Mary to bring good news. Mary has a baby, a baby, a baby. The angel has a baby to bring good news. The baby's name was Jesus. The baby's name was Jesus to bring good news. Okay, next one.
Okay,
next one.
Okay, go ahead.
My turn. Advent time is a time to wait. Not quite the time to celebrate. Light the candles one by one till Advent time.